Happy New Year, YouTube. It is reaction time once again here on thirtyonedottv, and to continue with our first videos for 2022, we are going to react to this first take performance for the very first time in 2022. This is SixTONES with Imitation Rain, and I'm very excited to hit play on this one. But before we do, make sure that you have subscribed to us and have that notification bell activated so you'll know whenever we drop new content here in the channel. Big shout out first to all of our new subscribers here in thirtyonedottv, especially those who left comments in our previous reaction videos and liked them. You guys are all awesome, and we hope you guys will like this one as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video and check out SixTONES. This is a first take performance. This is Imitation Rain. Let's go. '22, here we go. This is the first time that we are going to hear SixTONES Imitation Rain. Oh. Ooh, this is new. This is gonna be epic, I can feel it.
Imitation Rain.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
You said I will be the sky and you will be the sun to shine. Fake dreams 壊れてゆくガラスのバラのように
Loving the tempo to this one.
Imitation Rain 時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game 紅に染まるまで
Wow.
雨に打たれて
Whoa. Awesome harmony right there. This is a cool surprise.
目を閉じて翼を広げて ラララララララララ指は飛び立つのさ土砂降りの雨の中 We'll fly Imitation Rain 時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて Dancing in the rain Till love comes alive.
Woo. We are definitely being treated here
What's the point of getting
to
it
awesome
right?
music, you know?
Cause everything's fake.
Wow.
Everybody blames to keep the faith. Just say everything breaks. Price of fame, what's supreme? Cut my mind like a razor blade. Breaking down, I'm breaking down. Peace of mind is shutting down. Should I play this endless game? Dancing in the rain.
Love the transition to this one.
Keep dancing
sorry for pausing, guys, but these guys definitely sound good together. That they're I just don't hear someone who's trying to be like what do you call this? It's like he's to hog all the limelight, you know. There's no one there's no member from there's no one member from this group that does that, you know. They just sound so good together. They just do it all together very, very well. And wow, what a group, you know, what a group. And I definitely would want to hear more from this group. They are just that awesome. Let's resume. Let's go. And the musicians, of course, awesome work.
We play this game 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて戻れない時を振り返る流れる時間を止めて My friend いつかはたどり着く
The blending, right? Are you guys hearing what I'm hearing?
Imitation Rain 時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて
Awesome work. Wow. That was cool. Awesome work right there. What a way to be introduced to their music. And I will be definitely watching out for more of SixTONES. Once again, that was SixTONES with Imitation Rain. That was an awesome performance right there. And of course, that was for our first take performance for 2022. And what a way to kick things off here, the brand new year 2022. And once again, happy new year to each and every one of you. And I hope you guys like that reaction video. Don't forget to check out these other reaction videos as well, okay? That's just about it for me. I'll see you all on the next video. Peace out, y'all.